Hey, welcome back. So I want to bring another tech review. This is the Rode VideoMicro because I'd rather operate the camera and have someone a whole lot prettier than I do the audio stuff. Sony is here to help me out. So to do this, I have two Sony a6500s, one with the Rode VideoMicro, one without. So the best way to compare two things is have two of them. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just have her speak for about 45 seconds continuous, and I'll put on the description below on the bottom as far as where the audio is coming from, whether it's the VideoMicro or the built-in microphone on the Sony a6500. All right, check it out.
Wonderful. So I'm Sonia. I'm here to test out this microphone for Jason. I'm here with lovely Tuna. I love dogs very much, but I have none because dog rent is expensive. I'm not sure if any of you have dogs at home, but if you do, I'm jealous and I want to come play with them. Please let me come play with your dogs. I'm so lonely. Yeah, that's Tuna sneezing because I farted and she's really upset with the smell. So you're welcome for that image. Yeah.
Okay, so how does this microphone sound indoors if I want to extend it from the subject by about 9 to 10 feet? Let's take a look.
So this is Sonia again. I am here helping Jason with the audio test for the microphone attachment for the Sony camera. When I was little, I loved that we had a Sony TV because my name is Sonia, and I would look at the TV and say, oh my goodness, it's my TV, Mom and Dad, how did you know that this is my TV? It's Sony, it's me. But if you call me Sony now, I'll hit you. Yeah, my name is Sonia. Don't get it wrong. I would appreciate it, and it's spelled with an I, not a Y. So, thank you for watching the channel. But Jason, what if the people want to know what it sounds like outside? Here we are outside. So, here we are testing the attachment for the camera again, this time with the outside setting rather than inside. I have no idea what it sounds like for you, but for me, I am very loud and obnoxious as per usual. It's because I did cheerleading and I know how to use my diaphragm to speak louder. That's right. If you're too quiet, make sure you engage your core muscles and push out your voice through your diaphragm. Otherwise, nobody can hear what you're saying. Chances are they don't care either. So, yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day here in North County, San Diego.
Okay, so that was the Rode VideoMicro test versus the built-in Sony a6500 microphone. Inside and outside, just like everything else in life. All right, thank you. If you liked it, hit subscribe, I appreciate it. If not, I still appreciate it. See ya. Rode VideoMicro. It's a tiny little on top. Yeah, start over. Microphone with the Sony a6500. I didn't like this one. Either way, let's try this again. What are you doing?
I'm cutting it.
Oh, I was like, hurt? There's no time at all. Perfect.